I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. Hello guys, in this short video, I want to show you how to add your token to Bitget Wallet, to MetaMask, or to a Trust Wallet. So just in case that you want to add a new token that is not yet in your wallet to any of these wallets, maybe Bitget, maybe MetaMask or Trust Wallet, I want to show you the step by step you have to take for you to do this. So first thing you have to do is that you have to first get the contract address of the token you want to add. And how can you do that? I will always advise that you just go to either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to get the correct contract address of the token you want to add. So let's say I want to add this token. It is called the World token. I want to add it to my Bitget wallet. I will just scroll down. You can see the name here, the World token. I will just scroll down. I will scroll down so I can copy the contract address. So you can see here, you can see website, white paper, social, and you can see contract. So this is the contract address of the World token. So just click on this rectangular icon here. I click on it. All right, so you can see that this token is actually under BNB Smart Chain Network. Okay, so after I've copied the token contract address, I'm now back into my Bitget wallet. You can see here, what you are seeing here is Ethereum blockchain. So you have to change this thing from Ethereum to BNB blockchain because this token is under BNB Smart Chain. So I will click here. So you can see all networks, Solana, BNB chain. So I will click on BNB chain. I click on BNB chain. So I'm now under BNB chain on this Bitget wallet. So the next step I'm to take is that I will come to this place, this plus sign here. I will click on the plus sign. I click on it. And you can see add token. You can type the token name or the token contract address. I always advise that you should always use the token contract address. I will just paste the contract address I have copied. I will paste it here. I paste it here, paste. So it will pop out the World token for me. Okay, so it has brought out the token for me. I just click on this plus sign here. I will click on it. I click on it. I click on it. It's still loading, it's still rolling. Alright, so it has been added to my Bitget wallet successfully. And just in case you cannot find that token, even after you have pasted the contract address on this Bitget wallet, just click on add a token manually. You click on add a token manually and you paste the contract address here. Contract address. I paste it here. Alright. So I will click on confirm. So you can see the word token. Add the token now. I will click on add now. Add now. Then I will enter my pin here. So if I go back to my wallet space, I will see the word token there now. Okay, so you can see the word token now. Where is it? So it is at the last space here, the word token. So that's how to add your token to Bitget wallet, just in case it is not yet on your Bitget wallet. Okay, so the next step is how you can add a token to your MetaMask. It has the same process just like Bitget wallet also. So you click on this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign. So you can see search here, you can see custom token here. Just do it under the search token here. Then you paste the contract address of that token here. You paste it here. So I paste it here. Alright, so it has brought it for me, the word token. The word token, then you click on it. You click on it, then you click on next. You click on next. Then you see import. You click on import. You click on import. So it has been added successfully to my MetaMask. Where is it? The word token. So you can see it here. The word token has been added to my MetaMask also. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the next one is how you can add your token to Trust Wallet. So this is a Trust Wallet account. So just come to this place here. See these two arrows here. You click on it. You click on the two arrows here. I click on it. All right, then you see Manage Crypto. Manage Crypto. You click on Manage Crypto. I click on Manage Crypto. Then here you can see plus sign here. You click on this plus sign. You click on the plus sign here. Can you see it, guys? All right, so I click on it. Then you have to change this network here. Change it to BNB Smart Chain because the word token is under BNB Smart Chain. So I just click on it. Then I will select BNB Smart Chain. All right, then I will come here. I will paste the contract address that I copy from CoinMarketCap. I will paste it here. All right, so I'm pasting it here. It has been pasted. So it has popped out the token information for me, the word token TWD decimal 18. And I will click on import. I will click on import. All right, so it has been added to my Trust Wallet successfully. Let me go back and check where it is. It should be somewhere down here. Okay, so this is it. The word token has been added to my Trust Wallet successfully. So that's how you can add your token to either Bitget Wallet, Trust Wallet, or a MetaMask. And just in case you also send some of your token to any of these wallets and you can't find your token in that wallet, just do what I did in this video by adding the contract address manually by yourself. Then you surely see your token and its value in your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe also. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us meet in my next video.